Kajal Suryavanshi. Today's video topic is the flavors of Java, SC, ME and EE. First one is SC. What is Java SC? SC stands for Java Standard Edition. It is a computing platform in which we can execute software, and it can be used for development of a portable codes for a desktop and server environment. It has a Java programming language, is used in part of a Java software platform family. Java Standard Edition has a variety of general purpose of APIs and Java class libraries. It is the core Java programming platform. It provides all libraries, APIs such as Java.language, Java.io, Java.math, Java.net, Java.util, etc. The few APIs with Java SE has a first one is a applet. An applet is a small application, especially utility program performing one or more few simple function, and this API is the classes necessary to be create a applet. The applet framework contain two entities. One is applet and the other is a applet context. The applet is an embedded window with a few extra methods with the applet contains used to initialize and start and stop the applet. Second is the AWT. AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit. This package contains all the classes for creating a user interface and painting graphics and images. Next is the RMI. RMI stands for a Remote Method Invocation. It enables the programmer to create distributed and Java technology based application. RMI uses object serialization to marshal and unmarshal parameters and do not shorten types. Next is the JDBC. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. It allows you to fetch data from any data source. Any data source be relational database, be a spreadsheet, be it a flat file. Next is Java ME. Java ME stands for Java Micro Edition. It is a development platform of a portable code for embedded and mobile devices, sensor, gateway, mobile phones, printers, TV, set-top boxes, etc. It is based on object-oriented Java. The Java Micro Edition has a robust user interface, great security, built-in network protocol support for application that can be downloaded dynamically. Application which are developed on a Java Micro Edition are portable. It can be across various devices, can also leverage the native capabilities of the devices. Java ME SDKs, it means Java Micro Edition software development kit. It provides the standalone runtime environment and various utilities required for development Java Micro Edition application. It combines the connected limited devices configuration and the connected device configuration into the one single environment. Java Micro Edition is is a runtime platform that leverages Java ME technology that are deployed to billion of a device across the Internet of Things. Next is what is a E? E stands for Enterprise Edition, which was earlier known as a J2EE, and is currently known as a Jakarta Enterprise Edition. It is a set of specifications wrapping around Java SE. The Java E provides a platform for developers with enterprise features such as the distributed computing and web services. Java Enterprise Edition applications are usually run on reference runtime such as microservers or application servers. For example, of a context where Java Enterprise Edition is used to e-commerce, accounting, banking, information and systems. Thank you.